Hey guys, Nick here. I just got in the mail a Kershaw Skyline. Thanks to None Fancy, who did a great review on this knife, and really appreciate that. And just gonna do the unboxing today and just first impressions on the Kershaw Skyline. That's model number 1760. Okay guys, here we go. I ordered this knife from Walmart. I think with shipping and everything, the total came out to $38.03. So that was $34.97 plus $3 shipping. Not bad, not bad. I've heard that people have been buying these for lower cost, but that's what I found on the internet, so went ahead and got that. See, in the box you get basic instructions. Just pull straight forward. It's a very beautiful knife, guys. Look at that. It's just gorgeous. Feels awesome. Extra sharp. Right out of the box. The weight is perfect. The feel, just awesome knife. Awesome. Definitely recommend these. You guys should definitely have one if you don't already. Let's put everything back. Okay guys, take a look at that beauty. It is just too sharp. Wow, wow. It's like a hot knife on some butter, man. Look at that. Wow, that is just gorgeous. That just feels awesome. Smooth. Oh wow, the snap in it is just great. Wow, feels awesome. I'm very happy that I got this knife. Thanks None Fancy. You always have awesome reviews on the products you review, and they're just awesome. Thank you. Well, I guess that's it, guys. Definitely go get one of these if you don't already have one. It's the Kershaw Skyline, model number 1760. Awesome EDC. Gonna carry this everywhere, every day, all the time, anytime. Perfect. That's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. I have pretty big hands. I am 6'3", so as you guys can see, it's pretty good feel to the hand. Just feels real good. If you need to use it for defensive situations or any other. That's it. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. Thank you.